What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to NORI for another video. If you guys enjoy any Supreme streetwear sneaker related content, go ahead and subscribe down below and smash that like button as well, but that's totally optional. Now today, I wanted to announce that the giveaway that I'm currently in is actually going to be available in UK, Europe, and Canada, as well as the United States. We did not know, but at the beginning it was only available in the US, so we went ahead and fixed that up for you guys. So anybody from around the world could go ahead and enter for a chance to win that Black Supreme backpack from this season. But today I'm actually going to be bringing you guys a how to lace video. My last how to lace, which was the Vans one, is actually doing really good. It reached 10,000 views, and I felt like I would do another video which was basically kind of like that, but for another sneaker. So today I'm gonna actually be doing a how to lace the Yeezy Calabasas that I just got in black. So I don't want to waste any of your time. Let's get straight to it. So today we'll be lacing the Yeezy powerphase Calabasas in the core black colorway. I'm gonna do two different ways to lace them, and then I'm gonna throw them on feet just so you guys can see basically which one you like more. So as you can see, these are basically factory laced, and I'm gonna just take the laces all the way out, and then we'll start basically fresh. So after you strip the sneaker down, what you basically want to do is make sure that these two laces are the same exact length. So as you can see, I got to move this one a little bit more just so that they're even. So what I do is loosen the top a little bit, which is actually what I wanted to do. I just loosened the top so that the shoe has a more loose structure. And as you can see, now they're actually matching. So now what you want to do is pass this lace through the outside, not the inside, and keep going all the way up the shoe. Now you don't have to worry about the sneaker not being loose from the beginning, because we could do that afterwards. You also have to take notice that the first lace you put in is the one you have to keep going with first, because if not, the laces are gonna overlap, and that doesn't really look too well. It doesn't mesh well together. We actually are gonna be using this little piece right there. We're gonna put the lace through that just to keep the tongue straight most of the time. One thing I personally like to make sure is that the laces aren't twisted when they're going up. I like seeing them flat because it gives it more of that clean look. Now, if you guys do like when they're twisted, you can also go ahead and do that, but that's not my personal preference. And for the last part, you're gonna want to put this lace through the inside going out, and basically leave it at the length that you would like it. I wouldn't mind if it was that long, so I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I might end up changing it, but for now I feel like that's a pretty good length. Now you see how we have all that space? We're gonna want to distribute that evenly throughout the shoe. So what you basically want to do is just start pulling them from the first lace all the way through the bottom, and then I'll show you a technique to spread them out evenly. You see how now it's all messy and stuff? You're gonna want to put your finger through the bottom and basically tussle it out. Just pull out the laces like this, and that should start evening them out. Then I'm gonna show you the other technique that I use. So you see how they started getting more even now? Now what we basically want to do is put your hand behind the tongue and basically like act as if you were a foot, and kind of like spread them out even more. Now you see how they're even more spread out? Now you basically just finesse it, like just keep spreading them out until you like how it's looking. So basically you put your hand behind the shoe and just cut the slack out by basically moving your hand, acting as if you were a moving foot. That way they mold to the actual shoe. And as you can see, that actually looks pretty clean. So I think I'm gonna just turn these so they face down and just leave them like this. I feel like this is a pretty good look, and in my opinion that would look really good when you throw some jeans with it or some track pants. This is a pretty good fit. So I'm gonna leave that right there for you guys, and now I'm gonna start on the second shoe. So on the second shoe, we're gonna use kind of a different tactic. I'm gonna basically just loosen these a little bit, and then I'm gonna tie a loose knot at the top for a more loose feel, but it's still tied, if you get what I'm saying. Now you see how we have all this lace? We're gonna try to get that down to about here, just so I could tie the knot. We're gonna basically spread that out throughout the shoe. So you basically see how they're way more loose now. So I'm gonna just do a knot at the top, a little loose knot, just so that these laces aren't hanging so much. So we're basically gonna tie them moccasin style. So what you wanna do is just put your finger right here, wrap it around, and then tie the knot. So just pass the tips through where your finger has the lace wrapped. And then you see how you have like this effect right there. That's basically what you want to do. Then just tighten it however you like it. If you want it shorter, do that. You could basically move it around a little bit until it's tight. So I personally like mine to be a little bit more bulky. Do this technique once again just to make sure all the laces are good, and twirl it out facing down. And then we have this effect right there. I feel like this looks pretty clean as well, so I might use either one of these. So I basically gave you guys two of the best ways to lace the Yeezys. Let me know which one you guys like more down below. Is it this one? Comment 1 for this one and 2 for this one. It's all up to personal preference. I personally would go with this one, but I feel like this one is still a pretty clean look, and it's better if you don't want the sneakers to just be all the way loose. This is like a midway point to having a knot on your sneaker and having them loose, because they're still loose but they had that little knot at the top. That pretty much does it for the lacing. Now I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on feet, and we can get straight out of here.
Shit I can't escape, all this shit I can't evade. Niggas wanna hate, yeah they do that by the day. On these skates, I've been moving state to state. Fuck that lobster and that steak, I got more shit on my plate. Rolling in my Uber, that's just how I ease my time.
So that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe down below. That would definitely mean a lot, but it's totally optional. And don't forget to join that giveaway down below as well. The Gleam link is going to be at the top of the description, and everybody from around the world is available to enter the giveaway. UK, Canada, Europe, and America. So that pretty much does it. Like I said before, let me know which one you guys like better. Comment down below, super loose lace or the little knot. Just let me know down below, and I'm out of here. Peace, stay up, and I'm out, huh?